Comparing Azure Synapse Serverless query to alternatives requires understanding the key concepts and benefits of each option. Azure Synapse Serverless Query is a cloud-based analytics service that allows users to query data without having to manage infrastructure. To get started, it is essential to understand the differences between Azure Synapse Serverless Query and its alternatives. One of the main alternatives is Amazon Redshift, a fully managed data warehouse service that allows users to analyze data across multiple sources. Another alternative is Google BigQuery, a fully managed enterprise data warehouse service that allows users to run SQL-like queries on massive datasets. When comparing Azure Synapse Serverless Query to these alternatives, there are several key factors to consider. The first factor is cost. As each option has different pricing models, Azure Synapse Serverless Query uses a pay-per-query model, while Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery use a pay-as-you-go model based on the amount of data stored and queried. Another factor to consider is performance, as each option has different capabilities when it comes to querying and analyzing data. Azure Synapse Serverless Query uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to optimize query performance, while Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery use massively parallel processing to handle large datasets. In terms of security, all three options provide robust security features to protect data, including encryption, access controls, and compliance certifications. However, Azure Synapse Serverless Query provides additional security features, such as data encryption at rest and in transit, and integration with Azure Active Directory for identity and access management. To choose the best option for your needs, consider the specific requirements of your project, including the size and complexity of your dataset, the type of queries you need to run, and your budget. Azure Synapse Serverless Query is ideal for projects that require fast and flexible querying of data, while Amazon Redshift and Google BigQuery are better suited for large-scale data warehousing and analytics. Best practices for using Azure Synapse Serverless Query include optimizing query performance by using efficient query syntax, minimizing data movement, and using caching to reduce latency. It is also essential to monitor usage and costs to ensure that you are getting the most value from the service. In conclusion, comparing Azure Synapse Serverless Query to alternatives requires careful consideration of key factors, including cost, performance, security, and functionality. By understanding the benefits and trade-offs of each option, you can choose the best solution for your specific needs and get the most value from your data.